Guys, in this video, we'll show you how to block ads from any website that you're using, YouTube, any serial, just other websites, just for education purposes. All that you need to do is just go for any browser, and especially in Chrome, just go for Chrome extensions, marketplace, go for the first link, then go for extension, and then here just type AdBlock, and go for the first one having this like 4.5 rating, and then add to Chrome, add extension, wait for it, and I will just use website that it is using ads. It's called drq.com. It like always showing it, just I will pin it. It always showing ads here out of nowhere. Just press this icon and you'll have all the steps of each so recently this website just broke through. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share.